I'm feeling stuck in life, unsure of how to achieve my goals. Oh, how I wish I had a support system to help me along the way. Do you feel the same? Join me on the journey to find people who are like-minded and share our passions so that we can make a positive difference in our journey towards success. In this video, let's run through 11 proven strategies to help us find our tribe and achieve our dreams. Imagine having a group of people who truly understand your goals and motivations, who push you to be your best self, and who are there to celebrate your successes with you. That's what finding your tribe is all about. But how do you go about finding these people? It can be a daunting task, especially if you're not sure where to start. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Our first strategy is to make a list of your interests and hobbies. This will help you identify groups and clubs that align with your passion. You'll be able to meet like-minded people and build connections based on shared interests. Another great way to find your tribe is by joining online communities and social media groups related to your interests. This is a fantastic way to connect with people from all over the world who share your passions. Attending events and conferences related to your interests is also a fantastic way to meet new people. You'll have the opportunity to network with others who share your passion and potentially even make new friends. Don't be afraid to strike up conversations with people who share your interests. You never know who you might meet or what opportunities might arise from a simple conversation. Joining a walking or running group is not only a great way to stay healthy, but it's also a fantastic way to meet new people. You'll have the opportunity to connect with others who share your passion for fitness and potentially even build lasting friendships. Taking a class or workshop related to your interests is another excellent way to meet new people. Not only will you learn something new, but you'll also be able to connect with others who share your passion and potentially even collaborate on future projects. If you're musically inclined, consider joining a band or musical group. This is a great way to meet people who share your passion for music and potentially even start performing together. Volunteering for a cause that you're passionate about is a fantastic way to meet like-minded individuals. You'll be able to connect with others who share your values and work towards a common goal. Attending networking events related to your industry is another great way to connect with professionals who share your interests. You might even find job opportunities or make valuable connections that can help advance your career. Becoming a mentor or mentee is a fantastic way to connect with individuals who share your passions and goals. Not only will you be able to learn from someone with more experience, but you'll also be able to build a meaningful relationship with them. Finally, don't forget about the power of technology. Video calls and online communities make it easier than ever to connect with people who share your passions, no matter where they are in the world. So there you have it, 11 proven strategies to help us find our tribe and succeed in life. I'm encouraging you to try out these strategies and see which ones work best for you. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and meet new people. You never know where these connections might lead. Yes, success is not achieved alone. It's about finding our tribe and working together to achieve our goals. So let's go out there, find our people, and finally make great things happen together.